How would you classify yourself and your band as far as genre?
As far as genre goes, we, fall somewhere in like the avant-garde, post-punk, dream pop sort of world. Arresting vocals and then atmospheric, like high production songs.
How did the band get together? How did this all form? And what got you into music?
I started making music under this project. It was a solo project at first, and the first EP that I released came out about 7 years ago. Played for a very long time, mostly in North Texas, as a solo artist, and then in 2018, this band came together, and it really kind of changed the sound, and it changed like the experience of seeing the project live. It really changed everything.
How has music affected your life? How do you think it affects the culture at large?
Being able to find a way to channel all my emotions and feelings that I can't really describe any other way. It's also been like a really good vehicle for exploring my transition and using my music as a platform to talk about the experience of being a trans woman, especially in the South.